Welcome back to Just Jadelyn. Today we're at Castle Carts and we're gonna go racing. So see what we do for my birthday today.
Middle for the beat.
That was really fun. I'm really happy I got to drive my own car this time. So that was really fun because I have never gotten to drive before. So that was my first time and I really like it. Next we're gonna try these bumper boats to see what they're like because I don't think any of us have ever done them before. So hopefully they're fun.
Middle for the beat.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jadelyn. Happy birthday to you. All right.
Oh yeah,
More
Papa.
in the middle, Dad. Do it that way more.
I'm scared.
Do it more towards the stop sign. Probably.
Probably.
Those are pretty good though, right?
Yeah.
Those are for go.
Well, that wraps up my 10th birthday. Thank you for joining me. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching Just Jadelyn. Bye.